So 3 species.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. That one's got real grip issues. Ooh, ooh.
I don't know where mommy is.
Now the third one's like, come on. I think the one on the top is the runt or something because he's really small. Oh, in they go.
Oh.
That's funny.
Hey Ralph, you okay, Ralph?
That one's really got a good handle on it. I think he might be the one that was out last night or the night before exploring.
Oh! I think he fell to the floor.
I think the ground, you mean?
Yeah, the ground.
Oh, no, he's there. He's on the post.
Is he?
Yeah, I see him. He's hanging on for dear life, but he's there.
Oh yeah, I see him climbing up through the posts. There he is. That one won't come out, eh?
Yeah, he's really.
It's safe there.